Hey guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in how to make these super delicious and super easy overnight oats, then just keep on watching. Alright, first we're going to start off with some old-fashioned oats and then some almond milk. I'm using vanilla unsweetened almond milk. Then we're going to add in some Greek yogurt. I'm using vanilla honey Greek yogurt. And then I'm going to add in a nut butter. I'm using almond honey nut butter. Okay, but you can use whatever you like. All the measurements will be in the description below as always. And I added in some chia seeds and we're going to stir it up, stir it all up. And this is the base of the overnight oats, guys. Now I'm going to add in some bananas and some chopped pecans. All right, we're just going to pour that on there. And then we're going to stir that up. And I like to add those things in for some texture. I like a lot of texture in my overnight oats. Now for some added sweetness, we're going to add in some oat and honey, granola and raisins, dark brown sugar. And for a little bit of spice, I'm going to add in some cinnamon. And that is all. Go ahead and stir that up really, really well, guys. Now I'm going to take 3 8-ounce jars and I'm going to fill them up with my oats. And yeah, so this is enough for 24 ounces. So you can use one 24-ounce jar, 2 12-ounce jars, or 3 8-ounce jars. And we're just going to pop this into our fridge for at least 4 to 5 hours or overnight, guys. So it can firm up and, you know, let those oats soak. So here's the next morning and they are all done. I'm going to take the top off so you can see the texture. And this is how it looks, guys. I just love these overnight oats. It is such a treat. You can jazz it up and do whatever flavors you want to do. You can experiment with different milks, different nut butters, different toppings, fruits, different nuts, all of those things, guys. So you can definitely get creative. Here I'm going to show you the texture. It's the chia seeds would turn it into that pudding-like texture, which is the best part of this. So do not skip out on those chia seeds. Now, me personally, I just like a little extra almond milk and an extra almond butter on top, and I'm good to go. So that's all, guys. So I hope you guys try this, and I hope you enjoy. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.